Now, imagine owning a phone that costs less than 120,000 naira, gives you a big screen size and a 120 refresh rate, a massive 6,000 milliamp battery, stereo speaker, and even AI features. That sounds like a joke, right? Well, Infinix says, hold your zobo. Come on, I'm not carrying out today. Guys, this is the Infinix Smart 10 Plus, and today I'm going to tell you exactly why it might be the most underrated phone this year. And also, few reasons why you might want to think twice before buying this device. So without saying much, stick around. One thing you'll notice immediately is how surprisingly premium the Infinix Smart 10 Plus looks for a budget phone. From the front, this phone already looks like it's punching above its weight. You'll be getting a big 6.67-inch punch-hole display, which already gives it that modern and expensive vibe. No thick notch and no chumpy bezels like older budget phones. And a 120 refresh rate on the budget phone? Well, this is not surprising anymore because most of the newly released budget smartphones says the same thing. But the question goes thus: how well does it keep up to what it says? And so far from my use, it has a smooth scrolling. Whether you're swapping through TikTok, Instagram, or just navigating through apps, it feels smooth. The brightness here hits around 700 nits, which means you can comfortably use this device outdoor and under the sun, which is really a good plus, as the name implies. But here's the trade-off: the resolution is only HD+, so while the screen is big and smooth, it's not that sharp. You won't notice too much if you're watching casual YouTube videos or chatting, but coming from a full HD+ screen, you might feel the difference a little bit. Overall, the build is plastic as expected, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's solid in one hand, lightweight, and the matte texture at the back gives it a good grip and also reduced fingerprint. Talking about fingerprints, you've got the side-mounted fingerprint, which is responsive and also doubles as the power button, and I love it. Adding to its aesthetics, this phone comes with IP64 certification, meaning it's protected against dust and light water splash. Basically, it can survive daily also, whether it's in the rain, rough handling, or sudden drops. But don't just take it swimming as if it's a surviving kit. Respect yourself. And I'll say for this price point, Infinix really nailed the balance between looks and practicality. Now let's talk about performance, because what's the need of a good looking phone when it freezes every 2 seconds, right? I know in my lines, leave down. The Infinix Smart 10 Plus is powered by a Intel's T7250 chipset. Now, I know it doesn't sound as fancy as Snapdragon or MediaTek G something, but for real, it holds up. You get an octa-core processor with 4GB of RAM, and thanks to its virtual RAM that can be stretched to 8GB of RAM when needed, but at your own expense. Just know that some of your storage will be converted to your RAM. Yes, it's as simple as that. And in return, your multitasking will be smoother. And just like that, I open TikTok, WhatsApp, YouTube, and even Chrome tabs all at once, and this device handled it easily without crashing. For light games, it runs absolutely fine. Think of it: Software Surfer, Free Fire, or Dream Soccer, those games runs pretty smooth. But if you're thinking about playing Call of Duty Mobile or Genshin Impact, my guy, lower your expectation or increase your budget. Exactly. But for day-to-day tasks, like replying DMs, watching YouTube videos, scrolling endlessly on IG, the phone handles it with no drama. It's not lightning fast, but it's definitely not sluggish either. And for software, thanks to the Android 15 and the improved XOS 15.1, which makes everything feels well optimized. But just be ready to clear up some pre-installed apps when you boot up. Like you know already, Infinix love packing all the extras. Just take your time to uninstall all those ones you don't want. And they also added Folax, which is Infinix AI Assistant. It's actually not bad, and it helps with reminders, quick replies, and even summarize stuff for you. It's not a game changer, but it's definitely useful. Battery life on this device is one word: reliable. You're getting a massive 6,000 milliamp battery capacity, and trust me, that's not just a number. It actually goes a distance. In my test, I got over one full day of heavy use. YouTube, Instagram, videos, camera, hotspots, and all that. And for light users, we're looking at almost 2 days before thinking about charging this device. It also supports 18 watts fast charging, which isn't the fastest out there, but better than the usual 10 watts we see in this price range. You'll go from 0 to about 50 in under an hour, which is enough to keep you going for hours. So if you're tired of carrying power banks or always asking for charger in class or at work, this might just be your peace of mind. For the camera setup, it's kept simple and okay. You're getting an 8 megapixel rear camera and also an 8 megapixel front facing camera, just like the Tecno Pop 10 with dual flash. In good lightings, the photos are decent, nothing amazing, but it gets the job done. Low lighting, it struggle a bit, man, no lie. But hey, if you're buying this phone, you're not chasing flagship quality. Just know that you're going to have clean photos for WhatsApp, Instagram Reels, and so on. So take a look at the photos I've shot and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. So, in conclusion, as usual, what is the Infinix Smart 10 Plus for? Honestly, for this price, you're getting a reliable everyday phone with great battery life, loudspeakers, smooth performance, and good enough camera. It is perfect for students, small business owners, delivery riders, or just someone who wants a phone that could last the whole day and still have a juice left for tomorrow. So with all that being said, if this video was helpful to you, make sure you hit on the like button and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question or you want me to compare this device with any other device, make sure you leave that in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget that it's not all about specs, it's about what works for you. Till next time, bye and bye.